Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jessica. It's Tuesday, beautiful morning, and today I am going to show my own procedures and recipe on how to make multi-purpose liquid soap. So before we jump into the video, I want to thank all my subscribers. You guys are all amazing. Thank you so much. Thank you for your support and your encouragement to this wonderful channel. If you haven't yet subscribed to this wonderful channel, please kindly subscribe. Also press the notification bell beside it so you'll be notified once I upload a new video like this one. So let's jump into the tutorial. This is the 7 items you are going to use for 10 liters of our multi-purpose liquid soap. Yes, so I'll start by mentioning their names. This is soda ash. This is Parc-r. This is SLS. This is Texapon, color, sulphonic acid, and perfume. This type of liquid soap is not the instant liquid soap making. We are going to soak our Parc-r for complete 3 days, so it will be dissolved completely. Then we start using it for the liquid soap. This is not the instant one. This is the soaking method one. Before you carry out this liquid soap making, secure your hands with glove and also use a thick plastic buckets or bowls. Don't use stainless pans or bowls, please. And don't make this liquid soap near naked flames or heat. I'll start by saying the measurement. Parc-r is 150 grams. Soda ash is 200 grams. SLS is 100 grams. Texapon is 70 grams. Then we are going to use 1 teaspoon of color. Our sulphonic acid is 50 cl. Then our perfume, the fragrance we are going to use is lemon. It is 2 ml. 2 ml. We'll start by soaking these for complete 4 days, then we'll start the proper process. Here is about 4 liters of water. So what I'm going to do is to pour the Parc-r into the water. Once you are done, you use your wooden spatula and turn everything. You notice that it's kind of sticky and it's turning to lumps. Don't worry. You cover it up and keep it somewhere where you can be able to keep an eye on it. Be stirring it every 4 hours for 3 days. When we return on the 3rd day, it will be in gel form, like it will be in jelly form. So that is it. Once it's on that stage, we'll carry out our liquid soap making. Like I said earlier, this is not the instant one. This is the soaking method. This is the 4th day of our liquid soap making, and if you see very well, our Parc-r is in gel form. It is in gel form, as you can see. Yeah, so we are good to go to start making the liquid soap. Remember, this is 4 liters. We use 4 liters of water to soak the quantity of Parc-r here. Here are my 2 buckets, so I'm going to fill each with 2 liters of water. 2 liters of water. So I'm going to soak each. I will use one for soda ash and the other one for SLS. So that's what I'm going to do. Each will be filled with 2 liters of water. I have soaked them, so the next thing I will do is to stir. I have stirred these 2 mixtures separately, so the next thing I will do is to keep them aside for 45 minutes. I know by then they will dissolve completely. Here is my color. I'm going to dissolve it in 1 liter of water. Next thing I should also do is to set it aside to dissolve completely. Here is our soda ash and SLS. They have dissolved completely. You can see, you can view the bottom of the bucket. So over here I transferred the already dissolved Parc-r. This is a bigger bowl to enable me mix everything properly. Over here is our color, is already dissolved. So the next thing I will do is to dissolve 2 mixtures together, which is Texapon and Solphonic Acid. So we are going to do it right now. I have poured in the Texapon into my plastic bucket. So the next thing I will do is to pour sulfonic acid into this Texapon. So I have done that. The next thing I will do is to stir. I'll keep on stir. It will bring out the bubbles. So keep your, see why we say you should secure your nose, your hands, every part of your body. What you are seeing is bubbles, and if you touch the side of the bucket, it will become hot. So you have to be very careful while doing this. I stirred the 2 mixtures, that is Texapon and sulfonic acid, for like 5 minutes. So I will take this mixture and pour in our already dissolved Parc-r. Here is the mixture of the 3 ingredients, which is sulfonic acid, Texapon and Parc-r. So the next thing I'll do is to stir the 3 mixtures together now. I have finished stirring, so the next thing I'll add is my already dissolved soda ash, followed by the SLS. I have added the 2 mixtures, so the next thing I'll do is to stir. This liquid soap is very thick. Remember, the total water that we used is 8 liters. So what I'm going to do is to add extra 2 liters of water now, because it is too thick to my taste. So I'm going to make it to loosen up a bit the thickness. Yeah, and it is foamy. So the next thing I'll add is color. I have added color. The next thing I'll add again, and which is our final ingredient, is perfume. That is lemon fragrance. Then I'll stir again. And our liquid soap is ready. I'm not going to bottle the liquid soap now. I will leave it for a while to settle down. That's the foamy part of the liquid soap. I'm going to allow it to settle down a bit. Okay guys, this is what I got from the liquid soap I made. Hope my procedures and explanation is well easy to follow. Alright, if you love what I'm doing on this channel, kindly give this video a thumbs up, share, comment, and as well, if you haven't yet subscribed, kindly subscribe and also hit the notification bell. I'll see you all guys in my